for getting cut off. That means I got to go faster because I was already 10 minutes. So on the other one, again, remember all you have to do was pick any 2 points. There's many points that you can pick. Make sure you pick points that are on whole number pieces. So I can pick this one, these 2 points, and then I can pick this one right here and even go down to this one far over here. So if I pick these two, I have a slope of, you see how the line's going down? So I need to go down. I need to go down 2 and then over 1, 2. So that should be a slope of -2 over 2. Now I'm going to check it with my next triangle. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's -4. And I'm going to go across, or I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can see that I have -4 over 4. These two are equivalent. They are similar triangles. If you simplify, they both simplify to a -1. Therefore, the slopes are equal and they're proven. Excellent job. At this time, if you'll take your paper, and let me zoom out just a bit. If you'll take your paper and fold it so that you can just barely see the title of your notes, fold it in half. All right, so now let's look at the problems that are over here. I'm going to show you how to read these. I'm not really going to work them because I want you to work them on your own and then try them, and the substitute can help you go over them. Just want to really show you how to read them. So it says, which of the following triangles would also lie on the line graphed below? Explain your reasoning. So I'm not going to explain it for you. You're going to have to prove it. So whatever your answer is, you're going to have to explain why. But before we can even do that, we need to figure out what the slope of this line is so that we can match it to an equivalent slope of one of those triangles, A, B, or C. So let's pick 2 points. I always like to start with this one because that one's like the easiest. And then I'm going to scroll down all the way. I see one here, and then I see a couple other ones. I'm just going to use the first one that I see. So this one, and something you need to pay attention to is pay attention to the measurements or the scale of your axes. If you look at this, these are not going by 1. So if you go down 1, that does not mean 1. That actually means correct. 2, because it's 18 to 16. So you're going down 2, but if you look at your x-axis is only going by 1. So this one, that means it's 1, 2, 3. So your slope for this one is -2 over 3. So now you're going to go over here to these triangles and you're going to compute the rise over the run. You always start from left to right when you read these triangles, left to right. So that means you're going to start at the top and you're going to go down to find the point on the bottom. So that means you're doing rise, but you're going down. So your rise is actually -30, or you're descending, and then your run is 55. And over here again, you start from left to right. That means your line is decreasing. It's negative. So your slope is -28 because you're going down, and 45. And again, this triangle over here, you're starting at the top, you're going down, it's a negative. So it's down -26 over +39. So your job is to figure out which one of these is equivalent to -2/3. Which one of these will give us the same slope if simplified. So I'm not going to finish it with you. You're going to finish that on your own. And then on the bottom, it says the same thing. Circle the triangle that would not lie on the same line as the others. Explain your reasoning. So remember, when we did the triangles, you said any 2 triangles on the same line have the same slope. So you need to find the 2 triangles that will simplify to the same slope. If you notice, these triangles are going up. So you need to use this as your rise over your run. So it's rising 28 and running 7. So this one would be 28 over 7. Got it? All right, and I'm going to just recommend that you use your calculator on number 10. Don't forget to circle 2 of them. 2 of them are right, 1 of them is wrong. You need to find the one that doesn't belong. 2 of them will be equivalent, sorry, and 1 of them will not be equivalent. So that's your job to find. At this time, if you'll do me a favor, if you will flip your paper over, and on this side, all you see is blank, a blank area. Here is where you're going to glue stuff. So get a glue stick, get something from there. You're going to put glue on this side, and this is the side that you're going to glue onto your notebook so that you have it. As soon as you're glued in, the substitute will give you your assignment, and that assignment will be given to Mr. Setup for a grade. So at this point, you have about 15 to 20 minutes. Go ahead and get started, glue it in, and finish your assignment. Use your notes to help. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.